apply it just at the very highest points, like this. Hi. So today I am not sure about this lighting and the setup. I'm in a hotel room, which you can see. So today I'm going to share with you how do I get ready in summer come spring come autumn weather. And this makeup has been working for me, guys, really well. Like, it stayed from day to night without having to do any kind of touch-up. If you guys have been following me on Instagram, I'm going to put up a picture in here where I have shared, like, without any filter, how did my face look like after a whole day of eating, enjoying, chilling out outside. So the first thing is, I completely forgot to tell you which primer am I using. This is a hero product, you guys. So this primer is brilliant. Whenever I know I'm going to be in a cold kind of a weather, I pack this primer because it is, like, actually, for me it's 2-in-1, because it hydrates, it perfects, it refines my pores, I mean blurs my pores. I love this primer, and every time I use this, I do not have to think about my foundation looks patchy or dry throughout the day, any point of time. It is beautiful. So if you are someone with normal to dry skin, you're gonna love this. But maybe oily skin girls, you might want to skip this one. So this is my makeup bag. First thing after the primer, you guys know what I do. I color correct. Whichever peachy corrector works for you. You can use it for your dark circles or any discolorations, which I am doing here. Foundation wise, I packed only one foundation because on other days I just wear a skin tint, and this is the one that I have packed. This is by Dior. This is the Dior Natural Nude 24-hour wear foundation. My shade is 4N in. So as it says, this foundation is 24-hour wear. Well, I didn't wear it for 24 hours, but whatever period of time I wore it, it stayed on intact. And it looks pretty natural. I really like this foundation. The sun is playing with me today, you guys. It's just coming in and out, but it looks pretty. I have been missing clouds for over more than 1.5 years, so I don't mind a bit of cloud and rain, you know. So for my concealer, I have been using these two non-stop, my holy grail. You guys know the drill. To highlight underneath my eyes, I use the shade Dune, and for the rest of my face, I use the shade Flax. See how it looks? Like, it has literally covered all the late nights, all the Prosecco's and wines, all the chilling out and stress. That is what concealers are for, you know. Bronzer wise, I am still loving this Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Light, just because how easy it is to use and apply, and the way it blends to my face is like unreal. It just literally blends in itself. Just look at that. See that? After that is done, I take my all-nighter makeup setting spray and give my face a good spritz. Now to set my concealer, I am using this MCGRATH powder in the shade Light. This powder is like, I have been using it for so long, I have still not hit pan on it. But this is the one that I have been using non-stop. No matter whatever weather condition it is, I reach for this one because it just makes the whole face flawless. And to set the rest of my face, I will be taking the Fenty Beauty powder, but I'm not going to use it with a dense brush. I'm going to use it with a fluffy brush. Like today I'm using this Hourglass brush. Just lightly set my entire face. This is also very flawless giving powder, you guys. I want to buy a whole shelf of this powder. So I have carried this Dior bronzer with me just to set my bronzer area because I did not use this for a quite long time, and I really like this bronzer. Now, highlighter wise, I have actually 3 in front of me.
I can never have enough highlight, you guys.
So first I am taking this tiny Laura Geller Gilded Honey highlighter. It's a tiny mini size. Like, I really love this highlight, but I just want to mix in 2 different more shades just to get that perfect shade of highlight. Highlight just brightens the day a little bit more, at least for me. Now on top I will come back with another tiny highlight. This is by NARS. This is the Fort de France, if I'm pronouncing it right. So the way I apply this is I just do not stop here. I bring it all the way from the temple to the high points of my cheeks, so that way it looks all blended in together and not just starts and ends abruptly. For my blush, I have been loving these Hourglass Vanish blushes. Today I'm using the shade Rebel or Revel. It's Revel. Yeah, the shade is so pretty, you guys. So I'm taking it on this Real Techniques brush. Just slightly tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Little bit on my nose, because I love my rosy nose. What can I say? And it looks beautiful, you guys. It looks all so cohesive when you bring your blush to your temple, to your nose, to your chin. Now for my brows, I am going to be using this Urban Decay brow blade, and I am going to set the brows with this Milk Makeup Kush Brow Gel. There is one thing about me. Whenever I travel, I never generally travel with any eyeshadow palettes, because I, at least personally, never reach for an elaborate eyeshadow look. I tend to stick to any practical side of makeup, which makes me look elegant and polished and put together. So after I have done the eyebrows, I'm gonna just clean up underneath my eyes with this Anastasia pencil with the matte side, so it looks more clean. And then for my eyes, I am carrying this Tom Ford 2-in-1 eyeshadow. This I have been using for a really long time, the shade Naked Bronze. So what I do is I just take any fluffy brush, dip into the color, put it all over my eyelid and blend it up to my crease. And this eye, you guys, this look goes in with every kind of attire. That is what I love about these kind of looks. Now if I want to intensify a bit, I will take it with my fingers, my finger, not fingers, just intensify the color. So it's like something something on your eyelid, nothing too crazy or heavy. Now just on my crease, I will go in with the same brush and my bronzer, just to diffuse the crease of it. Same bronzer. Where is the lower lash brush? So I'm going to add it on my lower lashes. Lower lash line, not lashes. If you want to take it a bit further up, I love traveling with these Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter eyeshadows. And this is my favorite shade. This is in the shade Ray. I will just take it on my fingertips and just dab it. How many times did I say just today? I'll just dab it, concentrating in the middle, but mostly scatteredly all over. I mean, when the light hits you, your eyes look like it's glistening. It's so pretty. See that? And a little bit in my fingers, just in the inner corner, like so. If you have noticed, I have used very less brushes today because when I'm traveling, I like to keep my makeup routine simple. And we are done. Just mascara left. Now I'm going to just clean up this space a bit. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and apply good 2 coats of mascara, waterproof one of course. So today I'm going to be using this one. This is by L'Oreal. This is the Bambi Eyes False Lash Waterproof one, and my oldie and goodie Lash Sensational. Match made in heaven, these 2 mascaras. Like, just look at it. I have quickly popped on some mascara on my lower lashes as well. And remember, on my Instagram stories I told you I have found out my holy grail eyeliner. This is the one, you guys. This is by Hourglass 1.5 mm mechanical gel eyeliner. Oh my god, you guys, this is so tiny. You just twist up how much you need, and then this is what I use to tideline. This is the blackest black I have found. And then I will take the same eyeliner, just draw very thin line. Hold on, this has moved. Now, yeah. So yeah, what I was doing, I just take it at the corner of my eye and here, like this. Then I'll take an angled brush and just flick it out, so it diffuses the line as well, plus it creates a very sharp angle. Now all is left to be done is our lips. What do I want to wear today? Yeah, I think I want to wear this bright orange red today. So I'm lining my lips first with this Urban Decay Bad Blood lip liner. So I'm using this Rare Beauty lip cream in the shade Inspire. And remember when I said I will apply 3 different highlighters? This is the 3rd one. This is also by Laura Geller, but this is in a different shade. This is in the shade Diamond Dust. This is a little iridescent pink kind of, so I will take it just with my finger and apply it just at the very highest points, like this. This is what I love about this season, you know. You can wear intense makeup, you will still get away with it. Now, one last time, I'm gonna set my face with the Urban Decay. So in this, I forgot to mention, I do not have the all-nighter. I poured in the chill makeup setting spray because that is what I use when I'm in a cold weather. I'll just give it a quick dry. So perfume wise, I have been loving this one by Dior. This is the Happy Hour, and this is the finished makeup look, you guys. I mean, I don't know, in the viewfinder I can see myself pretty orange, but in real life, trust me, I am not orange at all. So jewelry wise, I am wearing these Missoma earrings, and I don't think I want to wear anything on my neck today, just like that. So for my bracelet, this is also by Missoma. This is regular wash. This is a ring that I got from Santorini. It comes with a necklace as well. Yeah, and I could not dry my hair because I did not pack the appropriate plug. So I've put it up in a bun like this. So you guys, I really hope you guys have enjoyed this Get Ready With Me Prague version. Until next time, stay blessed, beautiful, and stay safe.